Welcome to Wicked Wonders. This is Ganesh from Bangalore. This video is continuation of the previous one, which is algebraic expressions. So in the last video, we saw algebraic expressions, for example, C plus 2P. So C representing the cost of each chocolate and P representing cost of each pen. So in this case, C plus 2P represents the total cost of a chocolate and two pens or pencils, whatever. Suppose we take P as cost of pencil, then C plus 2P represents the total cost of a chocolate and two pencils. So here C and P are called variables. The letters are called another name for letters is variables. So here C and P are variables. What is the meaning of this expression C plus 2P? It means it's a sum of, because there is a plus means addition. Another name for addition is sum. So this represents the sum of C and 2P. So sum of C and 2P. What's the meaning of 2P? 2P means 2 into P or 2 times P. So that's the meaning of 2P. So 2 into P, that's what it means, 2P. Similarly, 5x means 5 into x. Similarly, AB means A into B or A times B. So A is 3 and B is 5. Then AB equal to, so as I said, AB means A into B. So 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So this is the meaning of AB. Similarly, 2P means 2 into P. So if P represents, because as I said, P represents cost of a pencil. So the cost of each pencil is say 5 rupees. That means value of P is 5. So 2P is 2 into 5 equal to 10. So in this case, 10 rupees. So you can use any variable to represent a number. See here, see we have used, what are the variables here? We used A, B, and C, P, X. So these are the variables used in algebraic expressions. Suppose your age is okay, so let's say y represents the letter y represents your age. That means your age at present, or your present age. Suppose that is y. So what will be your age after, say, 3 years? So age after 3 years. So after 3 years, what 3 will get added? It becomes 3 more than your current age, isn't it? That means it will become, after 3 years, your age will be y plus 3. So for example, your age is say 12 now. So now after 3 years, so if your age is 12, then value of y is 12. Then your age after 3 years will be 12 plus 3, 15. Okay. Suppose your age is say 14. Then after 3 years, your age will become 14 plus 3, 17. Understood? So depending on the value of y, or depending on your present age, your age after 3 years will change, vary. Okay, here, okay, y plus 3. So it has, first of all, two terms here, y and 3. These are the two terms. And as I said, y is a variable because it's a letter. And 3. So in this expression, y equal to y plus 3. Okay, 3 is a constant. Constant means what? It's a fixed number. It's a fixed value. So it's a constant value. So we call this number constant, because y can take any value. As we saw, see, if y is 12, then y plus 3 is 15. If y is 14, 14 plus 3, 17, isn't it? But see, 3 remains the same, it's constant, but value of y can change. So depending on the value of y, the value of this expression y plus 3 will change. So a plus b, what's the meaning of a plus b? That means sum of a and b. Or we can say b added to a. Similarly, a minus b is b subtracted from a. Or you can say difference between A and B. Okay, difference between A and B when A is greater than B. Okay, you should remember, remember one thing. Okay, whenever there is a term difference, difference is always positive. So difference is always positive. So what is the meaning always positive meaning? So for example, what is the difference between 5 and 2? So difference between 5 and 2 is 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Okay, what is the difference between 2 and 5? It's not 2 minus 5. If you know find the value of 2 minus 5, then it will be minus 3, which is wrong. As I said, difference is always positive. So difference is 5 minus 2 is 3 again. So whether it's difference between 5 and 2 or 2 and 5, it is same. So always difference meaning, so bigger, suppose we want to find difference between two numbers. So it's always, so bigger number minus smaller number, that will give the difference. See, for example, you want to find difference between, so say 5 and minus 2, then it will be 5. So smaller number. So what is that? How to find the difference? Difference is bigger number minus smaller number. What is the bigger number here? 5 minus what is smaller number? Minus 2. So it becomes 5 plus 2 equal to 7. So difference is 7 in this case. Similarly, what is the difference between minus 5 and minus 2? See here, which is bigger number, minus 2 or minus 5 or minus 2? Bigger number is minus 2, because any number, as I said in the number line, say it comes here, say minus 1, say 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1, so on. So any number, the number line, so to the left is less than the number on the right, or number on the right is always bigger than the number on the left. See, minus 2 is here, minus 5 is here, minus 2 is to the right of minus 5, so minus 2 is bigger. So the difference is minus 2, so bigger number minus smaller number is minus 5, so it becomes minus 2 plus 5. Minus 2 plus 5 is 3. Okay, so difference between minus 5 and minus 2 is 3. It's not minus 3. Okay, so difference is always positive. Okay, so that's why I said here, say a minus b. Okay, so you can say difference between a and b when a is greater than b. See, if difference between a and b, if a is less than b, then difference between a and b is b minus a, not a minus b. and so okay, we saw a plus b, a minus b. Then say what is meaning of 3a? So it is 3 times a, as we saw already. So 3 times a. So what is 3a plus 2b? So what is the meaning of this? So this means sum of 3a and 2b, or we can say sum of 3 times a and 2 times b. Similarly, okay, what is AB? Meaning of AB is product of A into B, or you can say product, because multiplication, another name for multiplication is product. So product of A and B. So what is meaning of 3AB? So this is 3 times the product of A and B. Three times the product of. So you should be able to, so this is the algebraic expression. So this is statement form, same thing in words in statement form. So you should be able to, okay, if statement form is given, you should be able to write in the algebraic form. Similarly, algebraic form should be able to convert to statement form, or you should be able to interpret the meaning of it. Okay. Okay, as I said, any expression can be evaluated if okay, values are given for the letters used in the expression. For example, 3ab. Okay, suppose a is 3 and b is 4. Okay, then 3ab is equal to 3 into a into b. So 3 into 4. So 3 into 3 is 9. So 9 into 4, 36. So this is the value of the expression 3ab, when a is 3 and b is 4. Similarly, the expression can involve squares also, squares, cubes, because so we know the meaning of squares and cubes. Say for example, say 5x square. What is the value of 5x square when x is equal to 3? Then it's 5 into 3 square, because x value of x is 3. So which is equal to 5. What is 3 square? 3 into 3. So which is 9. So 5 into 9, 45. So value of 5x square is 45 when x is equal to 3. Suppose 5x square y. So what is the value of 5x square y when x is equal to 3 and y equal to 2? Then it's 5 into 3 square into 2. So it is equal to 5. So into 3 square is 9 into 2. So how to evaluate? So easy ways, you multiply first 5 and 2. 5 into 2, 10. So 10 into 9, 90. So value of this is 90. So you can be multiplied in any order. You can multiply 5 into 5 and 9 and then multiply by 2, or you can multiply 9 into 2 and then multiply the result by 5, or any order you can multiply. Okay, so you'll get the same result. So addition and multiplication can be done in any order. Similarly, okay, this expression. So 5x square, what is 5x square? Um, say let's say 5x square by 3. So when x is 3 and say y is 2. Okay, sorry. Let's say we need to find 5x square by, okay, fine, 5x square by y, let's say. So in this case 5 into 3 square by y. So 5 into 9 by 2. So 5 into 9 is what? 45. So 45 by 2. 45 by 2 is, say either, so say whatever you have studied, whatever you learnt earlier, should apply it. Say 45 by 2 is what? It's an improper fraction. So you can either convert to mixed fraction or so convert to decimal form. If you convert to so get 2 times, then again 5 2 times, so remainder 1. So 22 1 by 2. Say it as a mixed fraction, or is equal to, so 1 by 2 is what? In decimal form it's 0.5. So it's 22.5. Okay, so this is the value of that expression 5x square by y when x is 3 and y is 2. So it will be easy if no easy, and it won't be confusing if you using brackets. Okay. See, as I said, because even negative number can be there. Say 5 with a value of let's say 5y, when y equal to -3, then can write as 5. 5y is for 5 into y, 5 into y for 5 into -3. 5 into -3 is -15. Okay. So it will be convenient to use bracket. So we would otherwise it will be confusing. 5 into -3. Okay, this it's you know it's more clean. It's neat. 5 into -3. So less confusion. Okay, let's see more in our next video. Thank you.